Hello and assalamu alaikum to all my second year students. This is a new platform that you can see. Abstracts Online Support Program OSP level is HSSC 1, HSSC 2, and your class is obviously HSSC 2, that is second year. Today I'll teach you the remaining questions of exercise 2.3. So after this lecture you will able to understand how you do it, go from question number 9 to the last question of the particular exercise. So I'm just going to start with the name of Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Okay, you can see the changes. This is a good thing that you can see the your required textbook. This is your required textbook. Okay, the name of the required textbook is Mathematics and Calculus and Analytical Geometry. Calculus and Analytical Geometry. And pages number are there, chapter number is there, chapter name is there, and required resources that textbook and internet. And from introduction I just said it earlier that you will able to understand how we will do it, question number 9 to question number 17 from exercise 2.3. Okay, question number 9. Now you can see that from the it is a continuation lecture from the previous lecture. Question number 8 we have done it from last lecture. So now question number 9. Now you can see that this is u and v. I suppose this is y, function of y. Okay, so differential with respect to x, so y is dy upon dx, and I put the operator. Okay, so now you can see that u and v. What is the formula of u and v? V square v same u derivative minus u same v derivative. Okay, and we have learned it. Okay, now by the simplification, this is same x square derivative, x square derivative 2x minus this is same x square derivative is 2x, and again the simplification, you can see that I took the common 2x here, so x square minus 3 minus x square minus 1 is remaining, and x square minus x square we can cancel, minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, so minus 4 multiplied by 2 minus 8x upon x square minus 3 whole square, and that is the required answer. Now I'm moving towards question number 10. Again you can see that first of all I can write in the sake of power, because we want to apply the power rule. What is power rule? There are three works. First you write the power at bottom, then decrease the power, and then derivative of under the power. Okay, now first you write the power at the bottom. Okay, decrease the power and derivative of under the power. This is the under the power, 1 plus x 1 minus x. Okay, now 1 upon 2 is same, 1 upon 2 minus 1 is minus 1 upon 2, and now you can see that there is a operator here is, so we have to derivative this, and by the u upon v formula, v square v same u derivative minus that is u same and v derivative. Okay, this is the formula and you have learned from previous lecture. So again the same thing, you can see that where this minus sign goes, because I just changes denominator to numerator and numerator to denominator. So if we change this thing, so the minus sign will be changed, plus sign will be changed. Okay, so 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, so minus minus plus. Now 1 plus x, what is the derivative of x? 1. What is derivative of minus x? Minus 1. And you can see that 1 plus x 1 are 1 minus x 1 are 1 minus x, and minus minus plus 1 plus x. Okay, plus x minus x we can cancel, so you can see that only this thing we remain. So this two we can cancel. Okay, now basis in power add. Basis in power x, this is 1 minus x raised to the power 2 and 1 minus x raised to the power minus half, because power I am just shifting from numerator to denominator. So 2 minus 1 upon 2, the answer is 3 by 2, and 1 plus x raised to the power 1 upon 2 we can write it as a radical sign. Okay. Now moving towards next question, that is 2x minus 1 upon under root x square plus 1. So I suppose that this is the function of y. So I have to derivative of this y upon x. So dy by dx, and this is the thing. So this is u and this is v. And I made you understand in previous lecture that how we can apply the formula of u and v square v same u derivative minus u v same v square v same u derivative minus u same v derivative. Okay, now you can see that v square you can see that v square v same derivative of u. What is derivative of u? I just put the operator, okay, minus u same derivative of v, and I made you understand from the previous lecture that u upon v we have to apply. And what is the formula? V square v same u derivative minus u same v derivative. Now I just simplified all the things. What is the derivative of 2x? 2 minus is same, and again all the thing I have to apply the formula, the power rule, because power is there and operator is there. Okay, so how many work we have to do? There are 3 works. First we write the power at the bottom, then decrease the power from the function and taking the derivative of under the power. Now you can see, write the power at the bottom, decrease the power of 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2, and derivative of under the power. What is under the power? X square plus 1. Now you can see that this 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 is cancelled. So 2 is here, this is the same thing, and now you can see that minus 1 upon 2 can I write 1 x square plus 1 raised to the power 1 upon 2, and what is the derivative of x square? 2x. Okay, now we can cancel this 2 by this 2. Okay, now you can see that x square plus 1. Okay, and this is the thing that we can do. I don't want to write the whole upon, so that's why I just write 1 upon x square plus 1. Okay, 1 upon x square, this is the same thing, 1 upon x square. So what is the advantage, what is the benefit of this? That I don't have to write the whole upon. Now what is remaining here? This is the same thing, minus 2x minus 1 is 2x minus 1, and this 2 is cancelled, and x multiplied by this thing, so you can see that, and the same thing is here. Now by taking the LCM, x square plus 1 raised to the power 1 upon 2 multiplied by this, so x multiplied by x square, or under root x multiplied by under root x, only x. So you can see that under root x multiplied by under root x, only x, this is the x, and after multiplying 2x square plus 2 minus 2x square minus 1 is plus x. Okay, now basic same, power should be add, and 2x square minus 2x square is cancelled, so 2 plus x is only remaining. That is the answer of question number 13. Now you can do question number 12 by question number 10 and question number 11. Okay, now question number 13, again the same thing, same phenomena that I made you understand from question number 11. Again same phenomena, same work, same, everything is same. Y, function of y, derivative, apply power rule, power, just write the power at the bottom, decrease the power, derivative of under the power, u upon v is there, u upon v we have to write, we have to apply, and all the same thing that you know. Okay, and if you have any trouble, any query, any problem, so you can ask me through the WhatsApp. Okay, don't worry, if you have any query, please ask. Now question number 14, this is the thing, under root 1 plus x minus under root 1 minus x. So first we just take the rationalize, or we simplified this function. So when we simplify this function from metric, you understand that how you can do it. This is the simplest function from this. Okay, from metric you understand, and if you have any query, any problem of any step, you can ask. Okay, and now again differentiate because it is the simplest function. Differentiate with respect to x. U upon v is there. V square v same. Okay. V square v same. Derivative of u minus u same. Derivative of v. Now you can see that only applying the formula, and the result is here. Now question number 15. In question number 15, you can see that first you have to apply the u into v, because x is there as well. Okay, this is u and this whole is v, uv. What is uv? U same derivative of v plus v same derivative of u. Okay. Now again we have to I have to apply the formula, because this is a power rule. First we write the power at the bottom, decrease the power, derivative under the power. Okay, and you can see that because I just put only, I can take this thing. Okay, because it is a lengthy thing, so first I take this thing and then I just put in the equation number 1. And for the derivative of a plus x upon a minus x, again you know that which formula we have to apply. Which formula? U upon v. V square v same u derivative and all the thing. Okay, and by the simplification you can see the answer. Okay, only simplification, only algebra you have to apply, that you learned from matrix from first year. But if you have any problem, any difficulty in any step, in any I can say that term, where this term comes from, so you can ask. Okay, only simplification is here. Now question number 16, this is different question, that something is here, y, if y is equal to this, show that 2x divided by dx plus y is equal to 2 root x. We have to prove that this is equal to this. Okay, so first what is given? Y is equal to this thing is given. So for the sake of power rule, I wrote it as the power, x is to the power 1 upon 2 minus x is to the power minus 1 upon 2. Apply the formula, write the power at the bottom, decrease the power, and derivative of under the power, x derivative with respect to x, 1. And again the same thing in here, minus minus plus. Okay, now y multiply by 2, because in the proof we have to have that we have 2x on both sides, 2 on both sides. So I multiply 2 on the 2x on the both sides, because in the proof we have 2x is there. Okay, so 2x I multiply from the whole equation, and you can see that by the simplification, 2 multiply it, this 2 cancel, this 2 cancel, base is same, power add. Okay, now what we want? Plus y. So adding y on both sides, Okay, now you can see that x raised to the power half and x raised to the power half is x raised to the power half, 2 multiplied by x raised to the power half, and this thing is going to be cancelled. Why? Because what is the value of y? Y is equal to this thing. Okay, I put the value from the quotient. Now you can see that is we have to prove. Question number 17 is homework, and I am live through WhatsApp group, so you can ask any question regarding this lecture. Thank you for your attention. Allah Hafiz.